Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU 16th and let me show you how to enable developer options. So first of all, let's open the settings, then let's scroll down to the very bottom to About Phone, and here let's find build number. Here you have to tap on it about 7 times until you will see that you're in a developer mode. So let's get back, let's go to accessibility, scroll down and find developer options. And here, as you can see, you've got plenty of advanced options which you can customize. To turn off the developer options, simply click here on this switcher and easily turn it off. So that's all. This is how you enter developer options in MEIZU 16th, and if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.